get me, I better line up. Lately I've been feeling like a little rock star. Story of my life.
So cool. Look at the little guy on the little mini bike. That little track is cool though. I think Will went out on that earlier. So, I'm a little dusty now.
My bike's running hot.
Yeah, mine too.
I had the temperature light cut off for a second, but
it's not like one of the best people in our field are putting us to the test.
Dude, I'm rolling with it. I don't care.
Sometimes best to put some that grease on there.
I think we're gonna head back to camp. We gotta plug up our GoPros, and Andrew's bike is still acting up a little bit, but hopefully everything is working properly with everything else. So far, it's been a blast. This is so much fun. Woods.
Well, guys, I guess I'm stuck out here now. I don't know.
You died again?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm lost. It's never done this.
Check your kill switch right there.
That might, you know, Will, that might be it.
Yeah, we've had an issue with my EFI fuse, so
Or your kill switch.
yeah, that one too.
I can unplug it real quick.
Because I had some issues at my Camp Coker where when I took off, every time I would bounce, it would sputter because it was losing connection.
Wow.
That's one of the reasons why I didn't do as good as I could have. So, but that and also I was out of shape, but we're not going to talk about that one. I didn't get to where I was by working out and doing this stuff.
Let's try that.
Sound better.
A little bit.
Maybe that was taking the charge off of it.
Yeah, but the weird thing is, we've never had an issue with that one though.
True, but I never had an issue with mine until that race and then after that. So it could just be like halfway through. Can you unplug yours?
It's already unplugged.
It's already unplugged?
Yep.
Okay.
Is this my rescue squad?
Yeah.
We think the fuel pump.
What?
We think the fuel pump went out.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, we don't hear a fuel pump at all.
Hear it at all.
Is it the relay?
No. No, we just don't hear a fuel pump. Remember the time it did at Adventure World where y'all just left me and I like while we were doing the poker run? That's what we think. Or that's what I think it did the same thing, but I don't know.
Yeah. Using that relaxing, he done drug you out.
Heard it. Alright guys, we got the Raptor running. I think me and Tyrese were talking. 700 Raptor life. And I think we've narrowed it down to either a bad fuel pump or a bad battery. Right now I'm leaning more towards a bad battery just because when we plug the jump box up to it, right up. I can't see a lick, dude. Ah, I should have taken my right turn.
Dude! That is awesome. That was awesome. I think I got it.
Now we the coldest, yeah, I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.